Okay, let's have a look at exercise 512. So this time, I'm going to write these ones out. I could probably get them on the sheet, but no, I will put them on the sheet actually. So here we're saying we're looking for factors of things that are going to be common. So it's not just a single number that would find here necessarily or here, but it might not be a number we find here, but it might be a factor of those numbers. So if I was to look at the factors of 3, well, it's going to be 1 and 3. Factors of 15, it's going to be 1 and 3 and 5 and 15. So we're looking for what is going to be common. What is the common factor between 3 and 15? So let's actually write those out. So here is 15.12. Actually, I will write them separately, yeah. So I've got 3x. This is so alpha, yeah. So I've got 3x plus 15 is equal to something. So what's common to this? Well, factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 15 are 1 and 3 and 5 and 15. And we're wanting the highest common factor. Well, what's common to this and this? Oh, 3 is common, and it's the highest number. Well, I mean, 1's common as well, but it's the lowest number. We want the highest common factor, which in this case is 3. So let's have a look at what that would be. So what we're going to do is say, what's common to both of these? Well, 3 is common. So I write the 3 outside the brackets. I've got two terms, two terms. I've got a plus in the middle. There it is. And I say, what times 3 makes 3x? And the answer is x. Then I say, what times 3 makes 15? Oh, well, that would be 5. And there's my answer. All right, let's look at the next one. I got 7x minus 28 equals something x minus 4. Here we go. And this is actually nice and simple because it actually helps us with the answer. So I've got 7x minus 28 is equal to, and it's got something x minus 4. X minus 4, there it is. And it gives us a something. Asked to find that something. Well, what are factors of 7? Well, they are 1 and 7. And what are factors of 28? Well, that's going to be 1 and 2 and 7 and 14 and 28. What is the highest common factor? Well, that would be 7. So 7 is common. So I can put the 7 outside, and that's my answer. And by the way, it does the rest of it for you. All you have to do is choose the highest common factor. So let's choose a harder one. Let's go for, oh, I like this one here. 15, 45, and 15. Oh, sorry, 15x plus 45. 15x plus 45. And it actually, again, gives you, where is it? 15 and something plus 3. So it's 15 something plus 3. All right. So let's have a look at how this would work. What times 15 makes 15x? Well, x times 15 makes 15x. And does 3 times 15 make 45? Yes, it does. So 15 was the correct answer. And that's the answer. Let's have a look at, let's go straight to number 20. And I've got 35x plus 49. I'll write that out. So 35x plus 49, and by the way, this is number 20, is equal to something 5x plus something. Something 5x plus something. So we just say, well, what's common to these two? Well, let's have a look. Common to 35 is going to be 1 and 5 and 7 and not quite. And that's about it apart from 35. So what about 49? Well, that's going to be 1 and 7 and 49. So what's common to both? And I've just written out the ones we needed, but 7 is common to both. So it's going to be 7 outside the brackets. 7 times 5x is 35x. And something times 7 is 49. Oh, well, that must be 7 times 7 is 49. And that's how we solve that.